How to denoise video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Capcut application on your device and then select any of the project that you want to denoise in the project. So let's go and select any of the project over here. So for example, I'm going to choose this project over here. Selecting the project, now first of all let's add a voice to this one. So I'm gonna go to the audio section and then tap on record. So here I have recorded an audio over here. So just tap on tick mark and tap on the voiceover. After tapping on the voiceover, you can see the option of reduce noise over here as you swipe it down from the menu bar. Then tap on reduce noise and then toggle this on. After that, click on tick mark and then scroll back again and you can see the option of enhance the voice. Tap on that. Then you can see the option of noise cleanup and enhance voice. So just toggle this on, and since enhancing your voice is a pro version and you need to buy this pro version, so make sure that you have it. After that, you can just tap on the tick mark and you'll be able to denoise a video in Capcut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today.